Hey there, this is Ms. Hawk, and today's tutorial is going to be how to create accounts using your school Gmail account that you can use for different websites for projects, assignments, or activities. So we're doing this to keep you safe and teach you how to manage your online persona and your online data just to make sure everything is super secure and safe for you. So, just a couple of reminders, you never want to put information like your home address or social security number or anything like that on your accounts, which is why we're having you sign up with your school Gmail accounts because this is very safe and secure. The only thing people will be able to access typically is your name and your email, your school email, and your birthday sometimes, but not always. So, this is just a way to keep things very safe and secure for you at school. So, let's do an example on Khan Academy. So, you will click Learners, and then you're going to join Khan Academy, and you can join as a learner, and then you'll put in your birthday. And then you'll get some pop-ups. So you can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or sign up with email. And we are going to continue with Google. When you click that, it should ask you to put in your school Gmail account and your password. And then you will have your Khan Academy account through your school Gmail. So if we click continue with Google, a pop-up is going to happen. And then I've already created an account, so it's going to send me straight to my account. But it's going to lead another pop up asking how old you are and then asking what subjects you would like some help in. So for me, I chose grammar, so my courses are going to be all about grammar. Now, say I want you to do a school Pinterest board to tell me a little bit more about yourself during the first week of school. You're going to go to Pinterest and then you're going to click sign up and you will then click continue with Google. So I already have some of my Google accounts already preloaded. I'm going to click my school Gmail account. It's going to ask me how old I am. And then it's going to create my Pinterest account for me. So it's probably going to ask you some other questions. Just go through it as best you can. And then the last step, it's going to tell you it's going to have you pick out some things that you're interested in, and then it will curate a Pinterest board based on that. So if you go to other sites such as News ELA, Canva, Infogram, it's going to give you an option to sign up with a Gmail account, and that is what we would like you to do, just so you are safe and secure and your personal data is not all over the internet.